Welcome to today's Launch and Learn session, part 7. Today we shall be looking at how to track document progress and history using Paper234.com. My name is Ivan Zuko. I will be your presenter. Now let's look at the agenda for today's discussion. First, we're going to look at the objective of this exercise. Secondly, we're going to discuss the reason why you may need to track document progress and report history. And then finally, we shall do a demo. Okay? Let's then look at the objective of this exercise. One, we want to demonstrate how document progress can be tracked. Number two, we want to show you how you can generate history for a document file in a team or project folder. Number three, we want to demonstrate how activity within a file can be tracked and reported. Now, this is the Paper234 design for tracking of document progress and history. So, like you've seen in the previous edition of presentations that we have done, how you can actually file your document using Paper234.com. Now, for each document that you file, you can actually track the progress of that document or file. Okay, so what would that mean? It means that for every activity that goes on, you can report every activity that goes on within a file or within a document. Okay, so the content will be the date at which you make that progress report, and you will put a progress report note, and then the system will automatically capture who made the input, okay, who reported the progress, and of course the date and time that it was reported. Okay, so you can do that as long as the document stays up in the server. You can actually be generating the progress report. Now, how is this important? It's important for other team members. When you get to the when you open the folder on the server or on the cloud, you'll be able to look at documents that are being filed by team members. You'll be able to go through the document progress and the history of a document to be able to appreciate the work done. Now, in this period that we are under pandemic, where people work remotely, again, it is important to be able to see what each of the team member has done concerning a particular document or a contribution that have been or work has been done on a document, so that if you have to work on that file, you know the last activity that happened with respect to that document, and then you can also add what you have done. Okay, so the progress note would mean that you are trying to report activity that happened within the file or document. You are trying to report the work done. You are trying to report challenges and issues with a document or with a project that is being done, or you are trying to report a percentage of achievement that has been done. All together will then form a document history. Now, if you need more information about Paper234.com, please visit our website. Okay, our number is on the screen. Our WhatsApp number is on the screen, and the email at which you can contact us is also on the screen. Now, let's quickly hop into the system and show you how you can actually track your document. Okay, so go to your web browser and type Paper234.com. So I'm going to log in as Adekunle Mercy. Now, in this organization, there is a mobile project, okay, that started in 2019. Let's see, go to the project document and see where we are with that project as at today. Okay, so we find the documentation on the server. Now we want to see where are we with that project. Okay, so I now go to view, track document progress. So I can search from 2019, maybe from January 1st. I don't know a particular date, but I can do a filter from January 2019 till date. Today is 29 September 2021. And then also project. Then I want to search for all document that has a project written on it. So I can see the project here. All right, so I select the project and want to see. So here you now have the progress note here. This project was initiated in 2019 by the MD and CEO. Now that was in September 2019. By July 2020, the project was suspended due to global COVID-19 global pandemic. Okay, and then by February 2021, the project started again in February 2021. So you can actually see the progress note here, activity issues around this particular project. So if we were working in the same team, you will be able to see where Mercy had worked. And of course, if you follow who had been tracking this, the progress of this particular project, the first one was tracked by Mercy Adekunle, the second was tracked by Mercy, and of course the last one in March 2021 was tracked by Taiwo Etim, who is also incidentally a team member. Okay, so we just wanted to show you how you can actually track the progress of a document. So where can you track? So let's go back and see how we can track. We are now viewing the history. So if you want to track the progress of that particular project, so we can come here and say track progress. All right. So you get to the project folder. I want anything written on project. So I pick the project name here, and the system actually shows me a view of the content of the particular project that I've actually selected. Okay, so this is what has been done so far, and I can, from today is 29, I can on the progress note now say funding received from JV. Okay, so I say funding received from JV. So JV. JV would mean joint venture partners. Okay, so that's the progress. Now who are the action party people? Okay, so I can put my name. I could put the people that are in the same team with us. Okay, so that's the person that has an action to do with this JV funding that has been received. So if you need anything, you can talk to him in the finance department. So track progress. Okay, so you see here, for this particular document, for this project now, you can see the last activity that had happened on this document, that we have now received the funding from the JV. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it interesting. I research and do video on subject of educational interest once every 2 weeks. One way you can receive an automatic update on your phone every time I post an update is for you to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell below. Please do that now.